Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, how to allow only your friends to view your reels on Facebook. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Facebook app, head over to the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Facebook and look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it, then tap on Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in to your Facebook account. Step 2. After signing in, you'll notice 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those lines to open the menu. Now tap on the gear icon located next to the search bar. This will take you to the Settings menu. Step 3. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Audience and Visibility section. Step 4. In the Audience and Visibility section, tap on Reels represented by the video icon. Step 5. Now, you'll see an option called Reels Default Audience. Tap on it. Step 6. By default, this option may be set to public. To change it to friends only, simply tap on the switch or toggle next to friends. And there you have it. You've successfully set your Reels on Facebook to be viewable by your friends only. That wraps up today's guide on allowing only your friends to view your Reels on Facebook. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy reeling.